In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust your notification settings in Google Calendar. Google Calendar is a fantastic tool for organizing your schedule, but customizing your alerts can significantly enhance how smoothly your day flows. Whether you prefer reminders to pop up directly on your device or land in your inbox, tailoring these notifications ensures you're always on time and prepared. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the Google Calendar website. If you're not logged in yet, go ahead and enter your account details. Once you're signed in, you'll see your calendar displaying your scheduled events, whether by week or by month. This is your central hub for managing all your appointments and commitments. To begin refining your settings, take a look at the top right corner of the page where you'll notice a gear icon. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu. Select Settings from this list. Now you're on the main settings page where a variety of customization options await you. Direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen where you'll find a section labeled Settings for My Calendars. Here you'll see a list of all the calendars linked to your account. Click on the name of the calendar for which you want to edit the notifications. If you're managing multiple calendars, perhaps one for work, another for personal appointments, and yet another for specific projects, ensure that you choose the one most relevant to your needs. Once you're in the settings for that specific calendar, scroll down until you spot two critical sections: Event Notifications and All-Day Event Notifications. This is where you have the power to control how and when your reminders are sent. You'll have the choice between pop-up alerts, which appear directly on your screen or device, and email reminders, which will show up in your inbox. Choose the method that best suits how you prefer to stay informed. You'll also have the opportunity to decide how much time before an event you wish to receive the alert, whether it's 10 minutes, an hour, or even the day before. The flexibility here is quite handy as you can add multiple notifications for a single event, or remove alerts altogether if you're aiming for fewer interruptions in your day. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can effectively tailor your Google Calendar notifications to align better with your daily routine. It's a simple adjustment, but one that can make a world of difference in how efficiently you manage your time. Thank you for tuning in. Here's to better scheduling and a more organized day ahead.